So for perfect patterns, we are still in Scratch, and I have this lovely little program here. So we're going to do a bit of prim again. We're going to do a bit of a predict and run. So perfect patterns, students are moving on to writing longer sequences of instructions and having a go at creating some patterns using simple shapes. And you can see here that I have a program that I've already created. I've got a red circle, and I've got a different event block, different to what we used earlier. This one is the when the green flag is pressed block. And I've got a sequence of instructions. I will tell you what the stamp block does because you haven't seen that before. The stamp block will just stamp whatever the shape is on the screen. So wherever that is on the screen, it will stamp it down to create like a permanent picture of that copy of that particular shape. So have a go again if you're feeling brave. Can you put what you think might happen when I run this code? What do you think is going to happen when I press the green flag? And it will happen in this stage area here. So what do you think is going to happen? Janina, what do you think is going to happen while we're waiting?
What do I think? Well, I
think?
noticed that you mentioned the stamp block makes a stamp and a copy, and I noticed there's actually 4 of those. So I think it's going to make some copies.
Very good.
Circle.
Anyone else got any other ideas?
Siham says it might go bigger or smaller or bounce, and Rabia says it might make copies while moving forward.
Oh, very good. Okay, let's have a look. I might have given a bit of a clue away there with my tone of voice, but I'm pressed the green flag, and there you go. So make copies, exactly, makes copies of the circle while moving forward. Lovely. So the students do a range of different programs to create different designs, different patterns, using different simple shapes, and that's what perfect patterns looks like.